Learning a new language can be a challenging but rewarding. Here are some steps you can take to help you learn a new language. Set your goals before starting. It's important to define why you want to learn the language and what you want to achieve. Are you traveling to a foreign country? Do you have a job opportunity? Or do you simply enjoy learning new languages? Setting specific goals will help you stay motivated throughout the process. Choose the right resources. There are many ways to learn a new language, including taking classes, using language learning apps, watching TV shows and movies, listening to podcasts, and practicing with native speakers. Consider what works best for your learning style and schedule, and choose the resources that fit your needs. Start with the basics. Begin by learning the alphabet, basic grammar rules, and common phrases such as greetings and introductions. This will give you a solid foundation to build upon. Practice consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Try to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can use flashcards, write sentences, or practice speaking with a tutor or language exchange partner. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to music, watch TV shows and movies, read books and newspapers, and try to speak with native speakers. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll pick it up. Focus on pronunciation. Pronunciation is an essential part of language learning. Pay close attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to imitate them. You can also record yourself and listen to the recording to identify areas where you need improvement. Learn vocabulary. Vocabulary is the building blocks of any language. Start with basic words and gradually move on to more complex ones. Use flashcards, word lists, or apps like Quizlet to help you memorize new words. Understand cultural nuances. Language is closely tied to culture, so it's important to understand the cultural context of the language you're learning. Study customs, traditions, and idioms to gain a deeper understanding of the language. Be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes or struggle to understand certain concepts. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress over time. Seek feedback. Feedback is an excellent way to improve your language skills. Ask a teacher, tutor, or language exchange partner to evaluate your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage. Use their feedback to adjust your approach and improve your skills. Use technology. Technology has made language learning easier than ever. Take advantage of language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone, which offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and exercises to help you learn quickly. Practice active listening. Listening is a crucial skill in language learning. Practice active listening by paying close attention to native speakers, asking questions, and summarizing what they say. This will help you improve your comprehension and pronunciation. Read in the target language. Reading in the target language is an effective way to improve your vocabulary and comprehension. Start with simple texts and gradually move on to more complex ones. Speak as much as possible. Speaking is one of the most important aspects of language learning. Practice speaking with native speakers, either in person or online, to improve your pronunciation, grammar, and confidence. Review regularly. Reviewing what you've learned is essential to retaining information. Regularly review vocabulary, grammar rules, and pronunciation to keep your skills sharp. By following these steps, you can successfully learn a new language and expand your horizons. Remember to be patient, persistent, and open-minded, and you'll be well on your way to fluency.